Today I want to do a little video about one of my very most favorite breeds, the Barred Rock. They are dual purpose birds. That means basically that they're not going to lay the most eggs and they're not going to gain the most weight for meat, but they are going to lie somewhere in the middle of the scales. These are very good egg-laying chickens. Even though they're not the highest producers of eggs, if you have 3 or 4 chickens, depending on your family size, you should be set. So my older girls, they, like I said, are around 3 years old now, and they still lay. They have slowed down a little bit, but that's totally normal for chickens when they're aging. But when they were in their prime, they laid 1 medium brown egg every single day. I'd say maybe they were medium to large. As they got older, they got pretty big, but they were very consistent, is what I'm trying to say. Really nice brown eggs. Another thing that I love about this breed is how friendly they are. So I talk a lot about friendliness in chickens, and the reason why I put so much emphasis on temperament is because a friendly bird is a bird that is easier to catch. You look around, I have an open enclosure with lots of room to run around. If I need to catch a chicken, I don't want to spend 20 minutes running around the enclosure. I just want to be able to pick the bird up. So these Barred Rocks are my friendliest, I think, chickens. So I have bred some of these girls to a silky rooster, and their offspring were even more friendly. It's so convenient to have chickens that want to be around you. They come to you when you are coming in the chicken coop. They know they're going to get fed. They're trainable or easy to train. They just have a really nice temperament. Here is one of the chicks, and as you can see, I kind of let chickens decide who wants to be the most friendly and who doesn't. I don't force them into anything. Barred Rocks, in my experience, you don't have to. They will just inherently be beside your legs during feeding time. They do not care. For example, if the bird gets injured in any way, it's not a big deal to get the bird, get it secluded, get it treatment, be in the smaller quarantine cage twice a day, food and water. It's not freaked out. It's not stressed because it knows me, it is comfortable around me. It just makes life easier, honestly. They have an auto-sexing ability. The gene for barring, like their feather barring, their visual characteristic of the black and white, is sex-linked. So that means their offspring has a visual difference between males and females, which is very handy when it comes to breeding and telling the difference between the male and female chicks. They are also a very easygoing bird, one that isn't going to be a bully in the flock, willing to get along with just about everyone. My turkey having a little sunbathe. Another thing is, because I've had them for a few years now, I've noticed that they are very winter hardy. Here in New Jersey, we have some really, really cold winters and we have some really mild winters. And they have been troopers through all of it. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments, what is your favorite chicken breed? Please like and subscribe and have a wonderful rest of your day.